This is a bay window. We can see bay window, it's made of 3 different windows here. We have 2 casement on either side and a picture in the middle. We can open the casement window. The bay window can be built out of not only casement window, but also either 3 picture windows or hung windows on the side. And this window can be built by our company from the rough opening, or built from as a new build bay, or we can do replacement bay as well. Now, how we finish window from inside, it can be done with different finishes. It can be done with the bench, or it can be done only with the casing, and we're using different materials to finish bench and the top part as well. This is a bay window from outside. This is how it's looked. It's basically 3 separate windows assembled on installation will be assembled. It's finished with aluminum cladding around the window. It's come with a completely vinyl finish in the middle, but aluminum cladding around. We'll customize and build this bay window exactly for your rough opening and make it fit. And this bay window right now equipped with 2 casement windows on either side, but it can come with any different type of the opening, or even not open as well.